Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I'm sitting here having some coffee and I thought I would share what I received in the mail Saturday. I think I got this on Saturday. Yes, Saturday. I had ordered some dewdrops from Carrie, who's Double Click Connect here on YouTube, and my order came in and I was just pleasantly surprised of getting it. Um, I I went on her Etsy store and I ordered her August. I don't know what she called it. It's an August. I think it's August dewdrop set, and it's you could use it for Disney, or you could use it for back to school, which I think I'm going to do both. um, so I received this in the mail, and it came just like this in a cute little card, and she packaged it up so nice. Isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh. So it comes in black, this yellow, red, and this baby blue. It's so pretty. And her note says, "Thank you, Tereese, for your order or your August dewdrop order. Please tag me if you post on social media. I will definitely post Carrie." And she gave me a little die cut. It's Disney die cuts, and I love it. Winnie the Pooh. This is Eeyore. There's Tigger in there. I already looked at this. Tigger and Pooh and Piglet all in here. It's so sweet. Thank you so much, Carrie. And go over and support small businesses, guys. So I want to thank everybody for watching. My Today is my son's first day back in school. Yeah, I know it's kind of late. Usually it's after Labor Day, so it's early for us. But yeah, in the past couple years, it's been before Labor Day, which is really sad these days. But anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching and have a great week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.